How to save music from YouTube to your files. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection. After that, simply launch the Chrome browser on your device. Then tap on the search bar and search for youtube.com. Now make sure you're logged into your account on your YouTube application or the web browser. After you're logged into your account, tap on your profile at the top right corner of the screen. So as you tap on it, tap on the option of YouTube Studio. Now when you tap on YouTube Studio, you'll be able to see different options on the left side of the screen. So here are all the menus. So just tap on the very last option, which is this one, which is the audio library. So as you select the audio library, it will land you to a new page where you'll be able to see different audios that has been added or that you can filter and have it downloaded to your files. So you can see there are different music files. Now, if you want to download it or get it to your file, simply tap on this play button beside the song or the music. So just tap on play, and when you tap on play, you can see the option of download over here on the added section. So just tap on download, and as you tap on download, it will be downloaded to your files. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.